Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this high pressure handheld shower head. It's a very interesting construction, even includes a water filter. It has even an anti-clog nozzle and it comes with 8 spray modes and 2 power jet modes. So here's what's in the box. It comes also with some nice instructions and installation manual. And so here we have the device, looks really good quality, solid. Very easy to change. You can hear that it's really good quality, easy to switch, not too easy but not too strong, exactly about right. And so here we have the openings for the spray mode and here we have the openings for the jet mode. And then we get this good quality 5 feet shower hose. Comes also with some washers, and then we get this solid shower bracket, and it has also this flexible joint which can help a lot. And here inside we have this water filter. You can see these balls which can really nicely absorb all the dirt, all the stuff which you don't want on your skin. And in the shower bracket we have this filter, so we can use it like that, or we can remove this filter and add one of these 2 flow restrictors. But we don't have to use it, it's just an option, but you can see it fits nicely here, and then we put this filter here back, and then we get also this nice Teflon tape which we can use everywhere to totally tighten everything, to make sure that the water is not dripping out of any connections. And then we attach this part here to the existing pipe and connect the hose then to the bracket, and after that connect the hose to the shower head. And always make sure that you're using a washer for every connection, otherwise it will leak, of course. And so you can see I've installed it here, absolutely no problem, works perfectly. The hose goes down here. I hope you can still understand me. Of course it's a little bit difficult to record in the shower, but you can easily remove, you can see with one hand. And so let's turn it on and see the different settings. You can see it has a nice flow here with the intermediate flow restrictor, so I could make it even stronger or weaker, but I think this is absolutely perfect at the moment. And so I can change that easily, as you can see. And here we have the jet nozzle, really strong. Also this one here, super strong. And on the other side, more normal nozzles here, even really fine spray and off. You can see it's just a little bit dripping to keep the water flow maintaining, so you don't have to shower cold when you restart the whole thing. But it's really nice, you can almost completely stop it. Some really nice spray patterns, also this standard one here. And so I've been using this shower head yesterday for the first time, and so I can say it's definitely working. There was no leaking, no dripping, no nothing which wouldn't work. The only thing which I have realized is not perfect, that's the nozzles of the jet functions, which are usually pointing straight to the side or even a little bit upward, depending on how you have mounted your shower head. And so if you are not careful, the water could then spray to the ceiling. I mean, the jet functions are really strong, they are providing very strong water, could maybe even damage the ceiling, so you have to be really careful. I mean, as long as you are just using this for yourself, maybe just adults, and they are aware of this thing, then maybe it's not so dangerous. I just wished there would be an additional lock for the jet functions, which would prevent from accidentally turning the function into like jet function. But this is my only complaint. Other than that, everything works really good. Also, I really like the quality of the hose, which is one of the better ones which I have seen, and also the length is good. Everything works really good. So if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.